Jack Harper, Tech 49. Hey!
Tell me which one is worse, living or